Atisa! Hello, nice to see you
Hello,
again.
my God,
I
nice
had
to
my
see you
short hair
again.
today.
Pasabog!
Tinanggal
From
ko yung hair ko
airport to
today.
here.
Anyway, I hope you heard me earlier when I was screaming.
Oh, ang bongga mo nga eh.
Pero ano, Tagalog na lang tayo.
Ay, Tagalog.
Okay.
Ba? Secret
Turn
ba
ka
to?
muna daw, turn ka muna.
Bawal ba to malaman ng iba?
Uy, oh, ayan na. Okay, winner na ah.
May naglilista ng noisy there.
Ay, ganun ba? Okay, eto na. Okay, ano daw yung ano, ang galing-galing mo daw mag-host.
Totoo ba? Thank you.
Continuous na ba yan?
Oo, gagawin ko na tong career. Mahirap ang buhay.
Ayan, sino yung designers ng gown mo? Yung first one at saka ito?
Ito, Vladimir Echeverry.
Oh.
The other one I have to confirm. I am not quite sure, so mahirap na magbanggit ng maling pangalan.
Yeah, that's okay. That's respect. I love it.
Yeah.
How
Oh my
collaborative
God.
are you with the gowns that you have been wearing from now until November? Talagang may input ka ba dito?
Oo, pretty much recently, I have inputs now on what I want to wear. Of course, my styling team is doing their hard work talaga in picking on collating all the outfits I can wear. And then from then on, they make me wear it. They have their votes. The organization have their votes. And then at the end of the day, they input, they consider what I feel when I wear the gown. So I really appreciate that.
Ngayon ba at this point ba may naka-ready na yung finals gown mo in terms of design?
Oh my God, secret!
Pero yung evening gown mo, Atisa, is that, do you have like collaboration with that? Because
Of
we know
course.
you're very creative, you know, so, and then you like collaborating with, you know,
Of
some
course.
of the designers. Do you have any collaborations with that from your costume competition and evening gown?
Yes, kasi the thing I appreciate about everyone around me right now, the team, the organization, they understand that when I compete, as much as it's a team effort, when I'm on stage, ako na yung nandun eh. So they want me to feel my best. So alam nila na kung anong komportable ka, kung anong feeling mo pinakamaganda ka, yun yung isusuot. And I appreciate that.
Wow, that's so nice. May mga tanong sila, yung nag-live ako after ka namin makita sa airport. Sino daw yung nag-makeup sa'yo yung nasa airport ka?
Airport, Antea Bueno. Like,
Bakit daw ang flawless mo, ha?
thank you.
Pakita mo yung arms mo sa kanila. Sinasabi nila laki daw ng arms mo. Ngayon, pakita mo.
Ay, grabe naman sila. Alam mo,
Pakita mo yung arms mo.
visit na lang po kayo in person. Wow.
Correct! Yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanila. Kitain niyo sa personal na ako, Diyos ko, Lord.
When we interviewed Tito Val Taguba, he mentioned na during Miss Universe Philippines, he asked you to parang fit a couple of
Yes.
Kapag-fit ka na rin.
Ngayon, wala pa kaming fitting. Everything is still in production pa lang. Pero even before that, even the production, kasi before in Miss Universe Philippines, I gave the free rein to Tito Val. Sabi ko, okay, whatever you imagine it to be. For this one, I made sure na I have my inputs na, so he has a guide on what he wants to do. And then after, that's when we're gonna try on a few gowns and then see again how I feel, which one is best, with what hair and all that. Kasi, you know, you gotta recreate the moment, di ba?
So, you're meeting with him when you get back?
I am meeting with Tito Val, yeah.
So, Ati, sa last question, nakain mo na ba yung mga gusto mong pagkain?
Alam mo, hindi pa kasi may sakit pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Live host, welcome!
Pwede ka ba namin bilihan?
Go!
Ano yung mga nakain mong Thai food? Saan ba tayo? Doon ba
Kaya
tayo
nga
malalaglag
eh.
sa Ganda-ganda ni Ate Ito. At least mag-ingat ka na kung
Kaya nga
ano
eh.
may nangyari doon sa kabila.
Ano pa bila?
Ano ka namin? Kailangan ka namin sa Miss Universe!
Ganda-ganda niyo rin.
Oo.